Okay, so I create two lambda functions. One is to simulate the event and user, and the other is to process the user, the transaction event. So for the stimulate one, okay, first it will stimulate users with the user location and the user average spend each transaction, and it will write the user to a user table in DynamoDB, which show in here. This is the user. Okay, and then it will stimulate the transaction. It will stimulate the location of the transaction and the transaction amount and the ID of the user. And the transaction amount is, I use normal distribution to simulate it. So for the Lambda handler, it will first stimulate 100 user and then and check how many number of the transactions should be simulated, and then simulate the transaction and send the transaction data to this topic. And for the other Lambda function, it will check the profile, check the message, and see whether reject or approve the message, and get the user profile from the DynamoDB and check whether you should reject or approve the message. And then this is get the message. It will get the last message in the topic in this topic. And this is send approve. We will send the approve status to another topic, this one. So this lambda is get message and then check approve or not, and then send the approve to another lambda function. And also it will save all the transaction data in the DynamoDB name change table. It will show in here with the timestamp and approve or not and location and transaction amount, transaction location. So okay. So let's try to stimulate one event. And test. Okay, and in the so not this one. So let's see where is the this one. Okay, so the message has been sent, and then in the DynamoDB transaction table. Okay, so the time, yes, this is the message. Transaction location is PA, and yes, this is the message we just sent. And also we can check the other topic. So this is a proof. So let's check topic 2. Okay, so we can see the last message we just sent. This is the approve message, so it just send the message to the topic, and if we reject the message, it will send a reject message to this topic.